Okay, we're here in Arizona, and we're going to show you how we make the hydrogen Gans. So we start off with CH3. We remove the carbon from the CH3. So this material here has CH3 with carbon removed. And then David, what else did we do to get it prepared? We have two methods. One we call the caustic method, and one we have battery method. So David, go ahead and explain how we get this ready.
First method, we want to use the caustic, the plastic pieces.
From Coca-Cola bottles.
We put in a Coca-Cola bottle. We put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of the plastic inside.
Plastic pieces, yeah.
Plastic pieces. Then we come with the caustic, the
NaOH,
and we put, depending on the bottle, 1 teaspoon or 2 spoonfuls of caustic, and then we put hot water inside the bottle.
So we nano coat the inside of the bottle and the material, and we pull the carbon apart from the CH3. Okay.
Then we add the liquid CH3 inside the bottle, and that's what we have.
So it has caustic, plastic bottle, and then we're going to float it in our CO2 container. Make sure the top is on good, and it just sits in there. Nothing more. Then when we're done with it, we wash it 3 times, and we have our hydrogen Gans. Okay, so the other way we make hydrogen Gans, David, tell them what we're doing. We put that in this fish tank. We call this the caustic method for hydrogen. And then the other method we're using,
it's right here.
The same CH3 that has the carbon removed from it. You don't have to take it out.
Okay, we got the 3 bottles connected with electrodes and LED.
Don't take it out. Don't take it out, David. Just leave it in there.
Here we have the electrodes connected. Only one electrode is touching the CH3 in the bottom. The other ones are floating in the air above. And we connect a battery to power the flow of the plasma in the bottles.
It doesn't take much. A lot of times we'll use a 3-volt batty. Right now David's using one of his homemade plasma batteries. He's trying it out. We also have a voltmeter here, so we're always getting power. And you can see we put the LEDs between
the center pins.
And then we let this sit for 2 to 4 weeks. And then we harvest. In this case, we don't need to wash it anymore. It's already washed. In this case, we got to wash it 3 times. That's how you make hydrogen.